after Mass in Jebel Ali. That is my Jawa. Hi Jawa, say hi. Titreat daw kami ni nag-iisang Perisco. Nakainin kami ng steak sa Mall of the Emirates. We're at MOE now.
Straight on. I never. Malik tama?
Quality time with my Jawa. Let's say Jawa. We're at MOE. Say hi Jawa.
Sa Sumpa.
Our manager. Hey, manager. Still at the Mall of the Emirates. My two boss. Huh? Oh. See my two boss, huh?
Magpakita ka naman.
Ikot-ikot din sa Mall of the Emirates pag may time. Minsan dapat enjoy mo rin ang pagiging jobless. Panik pa daw kami. Saan tayo punta?
O, sa may sinehan nga siya. O, tara. Nagtapon pa tayo.
Okay. Panik pa daw kami. So, we're already here. Still at the Mall of the Emirates. No. Ayun ang target namin, yung Texas de Brazil. We're here at our target location, Texas de Brazil. So, Mall of the Emirates. Ito na ba yan, Tap? Ito na yan. Yan o. Texas de Brazil na kami. Nag-inquire pa itong mga boss ko.
American Churrascaria. So police takeouts.
Okay.
And we have more than 50 items in the salad area. Salad is open buffet, so you need to take your salad.
Okay.
Unlimited, so how many times you want, you can take it, no problem. And when we're ready for the meat, I give you one red token immediately. So when you're ready for the meat, you just turn the top to the green.
Okay.
Red means you don't need the meat. Green means
So when we put like this,
so
we need the meat.
The carbs they will bring straight from the fire various cuts of beef, lamb, chicken, sausage, and shrimp. They will bring with a stick with a direct from the fire, and they will cut the meat how much
In
you
front
want.
of us. Okay.
So meat and salad is unlimited for you. If you have any special request, you can ask to the carver or you can ask to me. So I will request for the carver.
Okay.
Example, if you want one more round the same meat, you can ask to the carver. So they will bring for you, or you can ask them. And we have the two package, one with the drinks and dessert, one without drinks and dessert.
Okay.
So 269 with the drinks and dessert. That package you will get all the meat and salad unlimited, and soft drinks, iced tea, lemonade unlimited. And we can order one dessert and one tea.
Ay, patayan mo pala makakaya. Actually, for 269, we will eat all our meat, dessert, drinks, and salad. And this is our manager, my beautiful eldest daughter, Therese. Actually,
25
the plan of her mother, when she will be 25, she will give us a exchanging of vows again. Unfortunately, for the 269 only, this is our treat. Thank you, Nak. Thank you. Happy anniversary, my dear.
Skoy Don Silhouette ako.
So this is the salad area. Oh, this cheese. Oh, dito. This blue cheese. This blue cheese, huh? Like cheese. Wow. Oh, salmon. Dressing, salmon. Ba't ba dressing? Yan ba yung gourmet nila?
Hindi, mag-wire pa yan.
What's this? Lobster bis.
Open natin yung lobster, potato.
Potato, gatin. Steamed rice. Samantalahin natin walang masyadong tao. Oh, black beans. Ini Mexican kain nyo, black beans. Oh, roasted mushroom. Let's see the roasted mushroom. Oh, there's still no roasted mushroom.
May kuskus pa.
Enjoying ka na ang anniversary ka na. So, first stop. Anong sausage yan? Meat?
Spicy normal beef.
Beef, ha? Okay. So, deliver na ganyan yung... I think that's enough. Tuna lang. Ito.
Okay naman na yan.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Our starter is...
Chicken ay spicy.
Ni... Pumili ako ng fresh tuna. Tapos sushi. Baked na pineapple. Tapos yung Spanish Mexican na beans. Tapos mga cheese festival. How about you? Anong kinuha mo? Yung dalawa ito yung kinuha nila. Okay? Now let's start. First, tikman muna natin itong black beans, Mexican. It's okay. Parang may meat siya.
Tulad mo sa salad dressing nila.
May meat siya. Then, I will mix well the wasabi para masarap. Wasabi sa soy sauce. Ito ang fresh salmon. Pipino wasabi. Yummy. Then Next one is the sushi. Dip in a wasabi with soy sauce. Sarap. Ginger.
Drumstick.
Yeah.
Only one.
One piece.
Try lang.
So, ito talaga ang kapares ng sushi at saka ng sashimi.
Salmon din.
Isaw-saw mo sa ano, sa
Talagang salmon yan.
tapos
Naman niya. Ma.
sabi mo salmon.
Fresh ka.
Sarap. Kailangan sulitin ng 260 per head. 269 per head.
Pero hindi din eh. Santong mo, kaya ito eh. Steak yan.
Then let's try the, I think this is Brazilian
Pineapple.
no, Brazilian menu ito, pineapple. Ihaw nila yung pineapple talaga kasama yung meat. According to Mark Wayne's and Sunnyside. Hi guys, mga kabayan, mga kabalen, lalo na yung mga nandito sa UAE. I hope you enjoyed the first part of my debut vlog here. It is become memorable to sa akin kasi matagal ko nang pinaplano ito. Ngayon na ako nagkagats at ngayon pa na 25 years kami ng asawa ko. So this is memorable for me. So this my essence and date na pag-start ko. So I hope you like the first part and you abangan nyo po yung susunod na part. Mga 2 or 3 parts po ito. At this aimed na yung everyday life natin dito sa UAE, mga OFW experience, food critics, food explorer of kahit ano. Yun ang aim ko, to makapag-provide ng mga enjoyment. At the same time, sana mag-enjoy kayo at nagustuhan nyo. Watch out for the second part. And please click the subscribe, like, and please share it. Please support this vlog. Please support me. And thanks God. And I really made it. At last nagkaroon ng guts. And I hope you like it and I hope you will support it. Please again, press the button, subscribe, like, and share it please. Thank you and God bless all. Mabuhay po tayo lahat. Mabuhay tayo dito sa UAE. Mabuhay ang mga manggagawang Pilipino dito sa UAE. God bless us all.